So I don't know about you, but this last week, getting my 4 kids up and running with homeschooling, I spent way more time on a computer or device than I'm used to. And um, my neck was really bugging me. I noticed on my walk that it was like I didn't have full range of motion. So I want to share with you a little something that I did that cleared that all up and is allowing me to rotate my skull independently of my torso again. So, one thing that is going to be important for you to know is that when you're laying on the ground and I say spin your head, I don't mean roll. So, when we roll our head and we're laying on the ground, the chin comes closer to the collarbone. When we roll the head side to side, I want you to rotate your head, which has its spin on its axis, and the chin stays the same distance from the collarbone from here to here. So it's different than rolling the head side to side. So just understand that differentiation. When I say spin, I'm wanting you to rotate your skull on its axis. Okay. The only thing you're going to need is a wall, and then if you have a yoga strap, you can use a yoga strap. If you have a mini loop, you can use a mini loop. If you have a longer loop band, you can use a longer loop band. That's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to do it up like that, and it's going to come just above my elbows. Yourself so that you can get the full palm of your hand on the wall, and where you feel like you're in a little bit of shoulder flexion with having the back ribs relaxed down onto the floor. So let your rib cage be heavy and relaxed down onto the floor, and then the palm of the hands on the wall. And then you're going to start to press the wall away through the heel of the hand and the pad of the fingers. Okay? Don't flatten your palm on the wall. Think about kind of pushing the wall while grabbing it or gathering the wall with the fingertip pads and the heel of the hand. And then you're just going to start to take your knees side to side while you maintain that contact with the wall. So as best you can, keeping the shoulder blades where they are on the floor as you rotate the legs side to side. The next time you take your legs to the right, you're going to spin your skull to the left. And then I want you to breathe in to the right side of your rib cage. And think about exhaling out the left side and reaching the left elbow and knee away from one another. Inhale into the right side of the rib cage. Think about exhaling out the left, and as you do, pressing through the palm of the hand, reaching that elbow and knee on the left side away from one another. Then you're going to come up through center. And again, take the knees now to the left and spin your skull to the right. Breathing in through the left side of the rib cage. And out through the right side of the rib cage. And as you breathe out, think about the right elbow and the right knee reaching away from one another. One more time, breathe in through the left side of the rib cage. And out through the right, reaching right elbow and knee away from one another. Come back to center. You could do that a few more times, but I think you get the idea. And then what you'll want to do is just check that neck range of motion again, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Bye for now.